I went to the beach today. I found something really nice smelling to roll in. I tried to chase some birds, but something held me back. I went swimming for the first time ever.
What, did you just realize you're in water?
And checked out this cool doghouse someone built. But nobody petted me. Or told me how cute I am. Then it was time to go home, but I had a good time. If you see me out and about, stop and pet me. In the meantime, like, subscribe, share, comment, and give me a thumbs up. That's like petting me. See you later. Bye!